Make a great choice today with the 2017 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, rear fog light, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, power windows. Come take a test drive today.